C. Things to consider before applying for registered charity status. 1. Differences between a registered charity and a not-for-profit. Registered charities and non-profit organizations, NPOs, both operate on a non-profit basis. However, they are not the same. Registered charities. Registered charities are charitable organizations, public foundations, or private foundations that are created and resident in Canada. They must use their resources for charitable activities and have charitable purposes that fall into one or more of the following categories: relief of poverty, advancement of education or religion, or other purposes that benefit the community. Examples: food banks, soup kitchens, low-cost housing units, colleges, universities, and research institutes, places of worship and missionary organizations, animal shelters, libraries, and volunteer fire departments. Non-profit organizations. Non-profit organizations are associations, clubs, or societies that are not charities and are organized and operated exclusively for social welfare, civic improvement, pleasure, recreation, or any other purpose except profit. Examples: bridge clubs, curling clubs, golf clubs, hockey associations, baseball leagues, soccer leagues, parades, and seasonal celebrations. Please see table below for a quick comparison between a registered charity and a non-profit organization. Must operate exclusively for charitable purposes. Registered charity, check. NPO, X. Can operate for social welfare, civic improvement, pleasure, sport, recreation, or any other purpose except profit. Must go through the CRA registration process. Registered charity, check. NPO, X. Can issue official donation receipts for income tax purposes. Registered charity, check. NPO, X. Has spending requirement disbursement quota. Registered charity, check. NPO, X. Must file an annual return. Registered charity, check. NPO, check. Exempt from paying income tax. Registered charity, check. NPO, check. May have to pay tax on property income, capital gains. GST, HST partial rebate. Registered charity, check. NPO, check. Eligible to receive gifts from other registered charities, foundations. Registered charity, check. NPO, X. Increased credibility in the community. Registered charity, check. NPO, X. When it stops operating. Registered charity. Must give remaining assets to a qualified donee. NPO. Can distribute remaining assets to members or organization. Charities must follow certain financial and governance obligations and ensure that they devote their resources to their charitable purposes and activities. The requirements and obligations of charitable status may make some members, donors, or funders feel that the organization is more financially and democratically accountable. Note: if you are operating as a charity and want to issue official donation receipts and not have to pay income tax, you have to apply to be a registered charity. If you are not registered, you do not qualify for these advantages.